What the brap is up, fellow brapsters? Cody with two wheels and a tent. And if you're watching this, you probably already get the ultimate freedom. I had an outlaw biker tell me years ago when he was trying to make me a prospect in his club that you have never experienced freedom until you have put a tent on a motorcycle and gone out and camped and lived off your motorcycle. I forgot that for years and years. Then I got a motorcycle and now look at me. I can't stop doing it. He was right. But with motorcycle camping comes a few challenges. And what we're talking about today is simply multi-use and multitasking. To fit things on your motorcycle, they have to be small, compact, semi-light if you like to ride hard and not just on the road. Not anything against people who love to ride on the road. More power to you. I'm getting better at that myself. But in today's quick tip video, we're just going to go over dishes and fires. So in the morning when you're cleaning your dishes and wasting all the water that you have, why not do it over the fire? Got this filthy coffee cup because I've had 3 or 4 cups of coffee. We're going to wash that out. I'm going to wash out my measuring cup. I'm going to wash out the coffee filter, but we're going to do that right over the fire. And we're going to wash out the pan from Moto Camp Nerds, the seat sump pan. And just going to grab my sponge. Now, while this may not totally put out the fire, it at least halfway did. And the reason this video is coming about is because I'm in my favorite canyon and I can't go up to my dispersed camping spots because they don't trust people to put their fires out currently. So let's all do each other a favor and keep our forests green, not on fire, so that we can all enjoy the freedom of motorcycle camping. I know it's a simple little tip, just kind of a reminder to myself and to you. I hope that helps. As always, stay safe and come join the adventure, baby. And don't forget to make sure that your fire is cold, dead out before you leave. Cheers.